Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If there's one cleaning product I'm never without in my house, it is Barkeeper's Friend. I love this stuff. It's like magic in a bottle. This bundle comes with the soft cleanser and the spray foam. I love Barkeeper's Friend because it's a gritty type of material, so it does great at polishing stainless steel, getting off mineral deposits. I'll use it on our pots and pans, our stovetop, but it works well beyond just the kitchen. You can use this in your bathroom. It does excellent at cleaning fiberglass tub surrounds, getting off soap scum, or the stainless steel hardware. The soft cleanser is more intensive than the spray foam, so it's really good for more stubborn type of dirt, like scuff marks on our trim. It does great at getting those off. We also have a porcelain sink that will get black marks on it just from doing dishes. It does wonders for that. This is truly something that I always have on hand. I can't live without it because it's such a versatile and well-performing cleaner. And that's my point of view.